Good morning, dear students. We have started dihybrid cross in last lecture. So today we will continue dihybrid cross. That means selfing of F1. In this selfing of F1 of dihybrid cross with their phenotypes, dihybrid round yellow seeds cross with dihybrid round yellow seeds. That means F1 cross with always F1. F1 cross with F1 with their genotypes are capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, cross with capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. And their gametes are capital R, capital Y. That means these allele cross with this, also this cross with this, R, Y, R, small y. Again, second cross with both these, small r, capital Y, then small r, small y. Here also same gametes as like to this, because both are selfing. After this gamete formation, F2 progeny, F2 generation obtained. That means these four gametes cross with these four gametes, and we have to calculate, we have to obtain F2 generation by using Punnett square or checkerboard. Here in this row, male gametes, and in this row, female gametes. Now, male gametes cross with these female gametes with their allelic pairs, capital R, small capital R, Y, capital Y. That means capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Here also capital Y, R, capital R, capital Y, small y. Then third, capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. Now fourth, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Now in second cross, now in second row crossing or between these, capital R, capital Y, small y. Here sequentially small y is present in this cross, but capital Y dominate on small y according to law of dominance. Then second one is capital R, small y, small y. Next, capital R, small r, then capital Y, small y. Fourth, capital R, small r, then small y, small y. Here capital R, small r, that means here also according to law of dominance, this capital or capital dominant character completely overlap or dominate on recessive character. Hence, capital R right at first, capital R, small r, then capital Y, capital Y. Now second, here also dominancy, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, small y, small y, capital R, capital Y, capital Y, small r, capital Y, small y. Now in fourth row, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Here capital R, small r, small y. Then small r, capital Y, small y. And in last 16th, small r, small y. That means all the recessive hints occur in this last. Now, according on the basis of this phonetic square, we calculate its phenotypic ratio in this manner. Now, here we have to number it each and every new offsprings. Then we have to calculate the phenotypic ratio on the basis of this phonetic square. 14, 15 and 16 offsprings obtained here. Out of them, round yellow, this one is round yellow 1, round yellow 2, round yellow 3, round yellow 4, round yellow 5, round yellow 6, round yellow 7, round yellow 8 and round yellow 9. Okay, here round yellow type of offsprings is equal to 9. Then first pair with their first letter is always capital and second small. Here round green 1, round green 2, then round green 3. Round green is equal to 3. Then first pair or first state with their recessive nature. Here wrinkled yellow 1, wrinkled yellow 2, wrinkled yellow 3. Wrinkled yellow is equal to 3. And last one is wrinkled green. First pair and another pair. First pair with their first letter always becomes small. That means recessiveness, recessive, and second also recessive. That means green, wrinkle green is equal to 1. This is all about phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross on the basis of Punnett square method and entire this cross according to Mendel. That's all. Thank you.